Hi, I'm Phil Ward from the company Huber & Sooner, and I'm here at the Dartum conference, represented by our partner Logo. And basically I want to just talk you through the products that Huber & Sooner specializes in. So behind me is what we call a LISA system. It's an optical cross-connect. Actually, this is a smaller version than the one we normally put into a data center. Generally, it's a 2.2 meter high rack, and it has the capacity of 3,000 fibers. So it's the highest density product on the market. The rack itself, and I don't know whether you can see this, but it's only 300 deep. So we can position this rack against a wall, back to back on a single floor tile, or we can position it to the side of suite lines of server racks or switch racks. You'll notice the pretty colors on the fiber trays here. We use colors to denote different applications, for example, server connections or SAN connections. We also use color to denote different fiber performances. So for example, single mode would be yellow, OM3 multi-mode would be aqua, and this nice pink color that you can see here is the new generation of multi-mode cables, which is actually OM4, and it's a heather violet color. So we use these different colors so that people working in the data center can find the connections more easily, and also they can see what kind of performance they're running through the different cables that we produce. Okay, the principle of the data center is that we consolidate all of the connectivity into this rack, the LISA rack, and that will be centralized in the main distribution area. And then we will feed out with high density cabling to products like this. This is a Brocade SAN switch. Actually, it's not a real SAN switch because SAN switches cost about $500,000, but it's an example of how it should be laid out. And in the SAN environment, we have very high density blades. Here you can see 48 ports per blade, but you can also get 64 ports per blade. And here the real issue is accessing the connectivity. And I want to introduce a product that we've recently innovated. This is the LC XD. It's a standard compliant LC connector, duplex, so we have two fibers, transmit and receive. But the innovative thing about this product is that it's the first push-pull connector in the world. So you'll notice that we've developed a system whereby the shroud can be pulled back, allowing the key of the connector to be depressed. The reason we did this is that access to this key is extremely difficult. I've got quite big hands, so for me it's especially difficult. But you imagine this kind of environment where you've got 64 ports per blade. So simply by pulling the finger at the back, we can depress the connector or plug it in, and we can increase the efficiency of our moves, adds and changes. This particular connector has other benefits. It's the shortest uniboot in the world. So you see the body length is extremely short. That's because we want to reduce the amount of space that we consume at the front of the rack. If you put a door on a rack and you shut it, there's a chance that you're going to break all of these fiber connections. So that's what we're trying to avoid. The other thing is that we've got this uniboot cable design, which is 2.1 millimeters. Obviously, we've got two fibers in here, so it's very space efficient. It reduces the cable bulk by up to 30%. The rack that we have here is actually fed with a duplex cable, so we've got two cables coming into a connector. But this has really reduced that space consumption dramatically. Why is this important? Because we want to reduce the cable bulk, and we want to keep the vital areas of the switch free so they're working properly. Switches like this suck in cold air and they expel the hot air out of the back of the switch. If we block any of those intakes, basically the switch is going to heat up and then it's going to suffer catastrophic failure. So this is really what we specialize in. Huber & Sooner is a connectivity company. So we've been doing this for 25, 30 years, about as long as fiber optics has been available. And then we moved from connectivity into systems. So we produce the whole distribution and management systems of fiber optic connectivity. I talked about the SAN switch. We've also got other products like this. This is what we call a zone panel. This allows you to interface from an MPO connector, which we have here. This is the 12 fiber or 24 fiber MPO connector, probably the most popular connector in data centers at the moment. And then we transition from MPO to LC so that we can patch from this panel to various switches or servers. I just want to talk briefly about the MPO connector. It's becoming very important, this connector, because in the future, as we move to 40 gig and 100 gig data rates, this is the connector that's being standardized. So the IEEE are recommending this product as the way of delivering these higher data rates. So in the presentation I gave earlier, I was talking about how we transition from 1 gig and 10 gig LC-based systems to the 40 gig and the 100 gig MPO systems of the future. With this product set and the Lisa centralized cross connect, we have a range of products that allows complete flexibility. You can migrate from an LC-based system in day 1 to an MPO system in day 2. So if you invest in the Lisa system, you will basically have a product solution that will last the life cycle of your data center. This product will be in place for 25 years, so it's extremely important that you design and build the infrastructure using the right products from day 1. That's about it from me. There's a lot of different products in the Lisa range. If you want to find out more, you can visit huberandsuner.com, or you can visit Logo, our partner in Serbia. Thanks very much.